Y'all better can't cook. Ticket there you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
Welcome back to the kitchen foodies. On the menu today, I have these juicy chicken kebabs just for you. So let's jump right into the recipe. First, you're going to need about 4 chicken thighs. If you don't have chicken thighs, use chicken breast. Cut your chicken thighs or chicken breast into cubes. Also, you're going to need some bell peppers and onion. Cut those into cubes as well. This depends on the amount that you will need for your kebabs, yes? Now I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. For this amount, for 4 chicken thighs, you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. Use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Next, I'm going in with some onion and garlic powder. So because my all-purpose seasoning doesn't have salt, I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of salt. And that will be enough because this was so good and it wasn't too salty, it was just right. So once you have all these dry seasonings in, next you're gonna need some green seasoning, a blend of seasoning. This is just like jerk seasoning, it's just missing the color. So if you have some jerk seasoning, add about a tablespoon of that. Then your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm just adding the one that is available, which tastes really nice, but if you can make yours from scratch, add it. Next, I'm going in with some oil. This is olive oil, but use the oil of your choice, the cooking oil of your choice. Now I'm going to just massage all the seasoning onto my chicken thighs. Remember, you should cut these into cubes, but not too small because once it gets on that grill, it's going to shrink. So do not cut these too small, all right? So massage this, rub everything up. The only thing that is not here right now is the pineapple. So I'm going to leave this for a few hours and then voila, about that time, I'm going to be adding this to my skewers or my little kebab sticks. So first I'm just going to go with a piece of the chicken thigh. Then I'm going to go in with a piece of the bell pepper, then the onion, then the pineapple. But you can do like 2 pieces of chicken, then a piece of the bell pepper, a piece of the onion, then two pineapples, 1 pineapple. However you want to put these together, that will be fine, but just make sure that everything is on 1 kebab stick, right? Don't just have meat on 1 kebab stick. Well, of course, if you don't like pineapples or if you don't like bell peppers and onion, then it's also fine. For 4 chicken thighs with the pieces cubed, not too big, this will take you around 5 minutes or so to get these on the skewers. And be very careful when you're adding these to the kebab sticks because these are wooden ones, so these might chip and might just hurt your hands, so be careful there. So I'm just going chicken, bell pepper, onion, pineapple, or 2 pineapples, and I'm not filling the stick all the way up, about 3/4 of the stick or the kebab stick. The 4 chicken thighs gave me 8 sticks, 8 kebab sticks. And as you can see here, you can see the amount of chicken, pineapple, and so on that's on it. So now it's time for this to go on the little grill here. So this is hot. Make sure that your grill or your oven, even if you're just adding these to the oven, it is nice and hot because these started to sear the moment they went on. and that was just perfect, just right. So if you're using a grill, be mindful that because barbecue sauce, it has some sugar in it, then of course you need to keep an eye on these because the sugar will burn or it will caramelize, and you don't want all that charness on your chicken, right? You don't want it to look black or anything, because even though it might look black, it might just not be done. Keep these going on the grill for a few minutes while you just add some more ingredients to your barbecue sauce to make it according to your liking. If the one that you have needs a bit more flavor, you think. To mine, I just added some ginger powder, a little bit more sugar, and some onion and garlic powder, and that made it perfect. So once you have the barbecue sauce, you just need to keep turning your kebabs and brushing that sauce all over it until it finishes to cook all the way through. So this will take you around 15 minutes, no more than 15 minutes, and ensure that you get that sauce all over your chicken. So every 5 minutes, or for the 15 minutes, every 5 minutes, you can flip your chicken and then you can add the sauce, and look at this close up. It is looking so juicy and tender, and trust me, it was juicy and tender. You should definitely try this and let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple kebab recipe. So once you add some barbecue sauce, as I said, flip it, add some more barbecue sauce. You make sure that your grill or your oven is on high, because this needs to cook all the way through, but still you do not need to burn it, right? So this is me just adding some more barbecue sauce on the other side while one side is cooking some more. And you can always use a fork to test one of these to see if it is cooked all the way through, because if you leave this to cook too long, it might dry out, and we do not want that. So after a few minutes, this lovely chicken kebab, it is basically finished and ready to be served. This was so yummy, and I know you will enjoy it too. So this is it, guys. Juicy chicken kebabs made easy in Roma's kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net for this and other great recipes. Until next video.